Morning, you're cleared to enter. Head to Bay 4. Will do. I have the manifest here.
Brix reading is 12.2, confirming exceptional sweetness.
Temperature log matches the probe reading exactly. Excellent work, team. This batch is approved.
Yield is holding steady at 98%. Quality metrics look excellent. Keep up the pace.
The sugar addition rate is stable. We hit 12%. Confirmed. The Brix reading is perfect.
Batch 72 is fully compliant. Lead technician.
Excellent. Send it to filtration.
The clarity is exceptional. 99.99% efficiency confirmed.
Pressure levels are stable. Supervisor.
Stapes. A multi-stage cleaning process begins with a powerful blast of ionized air, followed by a purified water rinse.
The juice color is pink of watermelon. The camera captures the impressive automatic filling machines as they begin their precise work.
Another 1,000 bottles, all perfect quality ratings. The system is flawless.
Easy now, easy.
Set it down. Straps are tight. Load confirmed.
All right, team, we're merging onto the highway now. Keep the spacing tight and the juice cold.
These watermelons must be kept refrigerated at all times.
Noted. Everything seems to be in order here. We'll take it from here.
This display is excellent. The pink glow really draws the eye.
We made sure everything is faced perfectly.
This looks amazing. I've heard great things about this one.